All right, friends, how are you guys doing? It's been 2 weeks and coming up with another video. What's in omega 3 tablet? Most curious to find out. Let's do. It's like little softer, I can say that. You see? Little softer. Let me get some tissue. No. Liquid. Ooh. What smell is this? Completely liquid. You see here? As you see, the wet. And I'm gonna pour this area. See? Oh my god, it's completely liquid. The smell I see like a um, little fish, like a small, uh, very few amount of fish smell. I feel it. I tried like last year. I tried another pills that is like worse, even worse. When you touch it, you will feel the smell. The interesting thing, what's inside the omega 3 tablet? Fun, right? Ah! Can't believe this. Now it smells really, really bad in my hand. I can tell you that. Bah. Oh! This is what I have been taking. This is what I have been taking. Try it yourself. You will really feel how the smell is. It is, Bah. No way. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Alright, friends. How are you guys doing? It's been 2 weeks and coming up with another video. What's in omega 3?